LifeDeckAL is a metal lath reinforced deck system installed with a series of 3 separate cementitious applications. It is bonded together with a specially formulated acrylic emulsion sealed with a 100% acrylic top coat. The AL system is for plywood walking decks and existing coatings, and is recommended for the contractor or building owner who demands the finest in design, strength, and durability for balconies, corridors, stairs, and landings. Here's how it works. The surface should be dry, clean, and free of debris. The deck should be sloped at least 1/4 inch per linear foot to ensure proper drainage. At the walls, use 4x4 wall-to-deck flashing and 2x4 drip metal along the outside edge. Where stucco is going to be installed, allow the flashing to extend over the edge 1 inch. Otherwise, install flush on the finished surface. Use LifeDeck approved polyurethane caulking at the seams. Then nail into place. Be sure to stagger the nails to completely flatten the sheet metal. The metal lath must be hot, dipped, galvanized. Cut and move into place a 1/2 inch from the edge. This will allow for the material to be feathered with a brush. Overlap the lath from 1 to 2 inches and staple the lath to the plywood at least 16 staples per square foot. Hammer down the staples that are higher than the lath, especially the seams where the lath overlaps. The base coat is a mixture of 1 bag of LD1 cement with 1 1/4 gallon of LD81 acrylic. You may add up to 1 quart of water and mix with a low RPM 1/2 inch drill motor. Pour the mixture on and trowel the material into the lath, keeping a wet edge as you go. A wet brush is used to feather the outside edges. The mixture for the slurry coat is similar to the base coat with the exception of 1 gallon of LD81 acrylic to 1 bag of LD1 cement and adding up to 1 quart of water to achieve the desired consistency. Trowel over the base coat, filling low spots and creating a smooth and consistent finish. Here again, using a wet brush for the edges. Once the slurry coat is dry, completely scrape down the surface. The texture coat is a mixture of 1 bag of LD3 cement and 1 gallon of LD81 acrylic. Mix thoroughly with a low RPM motor, adding up to 1 quart of water to achieve the desired consistency. Using an acoustic hopper gun, spray the texture onto the deck in a circular motion, achieving 70% coverage. After a few moments, depending on the temperature, the texture must be knocked down with a trowel. To avoid making impressions, it is a good idea to use spiked shoes such as golf or baseball shoes. Once the texture coat is dry, completely scrape down the surface and apply LifeDeck 10 Series top coat for the final coat, providing the finished look. Allow 4 to 6 hours for drying time before permitting light pedestrian traffic. And for best results, allow 24 hours before direct traffic is permitted. Be sure to refer to the detailed installation guide for more specific information as it relates to drying time and material rate of coverage. For more information about this or any LifeDeck products, please contact your local LifeDeck distributor.